Hi friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will let you know top 9 Windows command that will very useful for the system information and diagnostic tests. So let's start the video, and these 9 commands are very important to watch this video till end. If you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it. So first command, let me know you the the first command is system info. Just you need to type the system info onto the command interface, and then you have to click on it. It will analyze your computer in depth and give you detailed information regarding your PC, either it is virtual or physical system, including your Windows information and backend devices. So you can see that it is my host name, and then we have the Windows 11 Enterprise, then we have Microsoft Corporation, and along with you can see that registered owner, and a lot of information like it is the virtual platform. So all these information are available here. This will also give you information regarding the your memory, in use memory, available memory in detail, also the CPU information included in this command. So once you execute this command, the second very useful command is the host name. So if you want to know your system name, definitely you need to know this command. Once you type the host name, what is the name of your actual computer that is available onto the network. So this command will reflect you the actual name of your Windows device. After that, we have the command of version. So version will let you know the about the platform, that which platform you are using. Right now, we are using the Windows 11, and it is the version of 26200 build. So it will give you information regarding your build and what platforms you are using actually. So after that, we have the another command, that is the win version. It will give you information regarding your Windows, which type of Windows you are using. Let's say, for example, I'm using Windows 11 25H2, and it will also represent you the year of the Windows, including the build as well. After that, we have very important command, that is the msinfo32. If you enter on this command, you will get a detailed review of your hardware. For example, this option is very important, and definitely you can also use it in future use, because this will give you actual information regarding the secure boot. And if you are confused enough that your computer is supporting secure boot or not, definitely this command will answer you. So let's say, for example, if we talk about the secure boot, it is unsupported over here, and a lot of hardware information regarding it is based on the virtual platform, and a lot of information are there, and we have a couple of options are also there. You can just click one by one and explore it. So it will give you all the information regarding your hardware. So if you want to find out any answer, this command will give you every answer related to your hardware. After that, we have very important command like dxdiag, and this command is very important because it will give you information regarding your RAM as well as your computer build processor. Each and everything is mentioned over here. And apart from the previous command, this command will also show you the DirectX version as well. So if you are confused enough that which type of DirectX you are using and you are unable to play the game, so you can verify the DirectX version from this command dxdiag. After that, we have a very important command that will monitor your performance of your computer, then perfmon. Then once you execute this command, you will have entire dashboard of your computer performance, and you can check out all the performance and event logs over here. We have detailed reporting over here as well. So if you ask me to create a detailed video on it, I will create a separate video on it if I get 100 comments on this video in this regard. So for a short period of time or in shorter way, I will tell you this is basically performance monitoring tool. It will give you built-in performance monitoring tool. It will give you the performance of your PC in detail in front of you. After that, I would like to talk about the most important command that is mandatory if you are IT admin or if you are a normal user, then event VWR. This command is very amazing. Once you click event VWR, you will have entire log system. So once you click on this command, you will have all the logs of your computer, and it is currently being loaded. And once it is loaded, then you will have complete details of your logs. So you can see that we have all the logs. If your computer got down or onto the power or network issue or any other issue, all these will be reported over here. Same command will be executed onto the Windows server as well. If you want to monitor the logs of Windows 11, then this is the best platform, and most importantly, no third-party tool we are using. It is the built-in platform of Windows 11, and you can check all the uh, alarm logs over here. After that, the most important command is resmon, which will give you resmon. Resmon, which will give you detailed statistics of your processor, memory, CPU, each and everything, all the processor that are being running on your computer, and all these things in detail as compared to the task manager system. So this is the fantastic. So the response command, you can execute this, and you can, if you want to analyze your system in detail, then this is the perfect command for you. After that, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for today. And now we are good to go. So you can use this command in your daily life, and definitely you will become tech expert. So these are the most amazing command I have found for you guys. Kindly subscribe my channel if you like this video and seems informative. Kindly forward to your family and friends. Hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.